currently a standout amongst the most vital post-retail redesigns any Tesla proprietor can make is the establishment of a multi-channel dashcam arrangement that records action on both the front and back of the vehicle. Tesla proprietor and YouTuber MacTechGenius shared a video including a consistent establishment performed by Calibred Customs of a BlackVue DR750S-2CH Full HD dashcam on a Model 3. On the off chance that the name Calibred Customs rings a chime, that is on account of the Southern California-based firm is viewed as one of the debut installers for dashcam and sound frameworks in a Tesla, adjusting clients over the United States. One may review that the proprietor of Calibred Customs, Johnny, helped Teslarati in the past on a task including the establishment of a BlackVue dashcam arrangement in the Model X. As indicated by MacTechGenius, Johnny educated him that the dashcam establishment for the Model 3 would be more unpredictable than the Model S and Model X, for the most part because of the vehicle's preferred inside quality over its bigger kin. The keep running of wire associating the two cameras of the BlackVue DR750S was bolstered behind Model 3's backseat boards, along the main event, and behind the entryway seal, so as to abstain from meddling with the Model 3's various airbags. Calibred Customs picked to expel different boards of the Model 3, a procedure that was discretionary on both the Model S and Model X. Beginning from the back of the vehicle and working your way up to the front of the vehicle. Running wire is comparative in nature to the BlackVue establishment we did on the Model S. Yet turn around. The lodging for the rear view reflection of the Model 3 is more vigorous in plan than the plastic lodging found on the Model S and Model X. In this way, requiring watchful expulsion of boards, clasps and segments close to the gathering. The power wellspring of the Model 3 dashcam unit was associated specifically to the auto's 12-volt battery situated at the base of the windshield. An elastic grommet can be uncovered by lifting the covering in the traveler footwell. This is the place you'll be sustaining the power lead for the BlackVue camera to Model 3's 12-volt battery. While a few proprietors might be worried that by having a consistent wellspring of energy for the camera, pointless battery deplete may happen when the vehicle is put away for drawn-out stretches of time with no action, the additional power utilization is fairly irrelevant for Model 3's close to 80 kWh battery pack.